Hello, I am just going to have a quick go at going through the NOT logical operator with you. I'm going to use an example supplied by the SQA in the Appendix 10 in the course spec. I think it's pretty straightforward. Loads of you probably are thinking, oh, I already know all about this, not going to bother watching it, so I'll try to make it quick. Here's query 10 from Appendix 10 in the course spec. This is what I'm going to use as my example. It refers to a hotel database which the SQA have supplied, and I will give you access to that as well on this page. But this is all of the data in it. So it's 4 tables, but there's a small amount of data. So it's quite useful for trying things out. You can work out what you're going to expect. And by the way, I should mention the queries, the examples in the course spec. They're in a really weird order. I mean, they're all over the place. And unfortunately, my notes, where I wrote down what order we should do them in, are in school on a bit of paper. Anyway, here's the database. Let's have a quick look at this. Remember the order these things are carried out in. Let's go through it properly. It'll be from first, then where, then select. Okay, always starts with the from. So from resort and hotel. So we've got a table called hotel here and a table called resort. They're the two that are going to be used. And then we've got where resort.resort ID equals hotel.resort ID. So that's the equijoin. So that is how we're linking the records together. So there's resort ID in here and resort ID in there. So for example, this first record 168 will link up and get the information from there. Nat 5, higher stuff, I know. And we also have to find records where it's also not resort type equals coastal. Now, just to be clear, that is equivalent to doing this. Resort type not equal to coastal. Same thing. This is just a different approach. Okay, just a different way of doing stuff. So it's advanced higher level. I don't know why it's advanced higher, but it's advanced higher level, and therefore you're likely to encounter it in the exam. In real life, you don't have to use NOT. You can generally get away with using other approaches if you prefer. Anywhere resort type doesn't equal coastal. So basically, let's be the computer for a moment. Let's have a look, go through each of these hotels in turn and check against that. So this one, resort ID, is 168, but that's coastal. We're looking for ones where it's not coastal. You get the idea? 168, coastal. 212, that's another coastal one. So we're not interested in any of these rows. 406 is city, so that's fine. It's not coastal. 347 is island. That's fine. It's not coastal. So we're only going to get these 3 rows are what are being returned. Okay? And the information they link to. And then we're returning resort name, resort type, hotel name, and meal plan. So we're going to get whatever it is. What did I say? Resort name, resort type. So you're going to get 3 results in the result set, 3 rows in the result set. You're going to get 4. So it's going to say Glasgow, city, Kelvin Park View, and bed and breakfast. Glasgow City, Finiston Wave, and room only, and then 347 Portree Island, Bayview bed and breakfast. Let's just check that works. As I've suggested previously, I've got this typed up in a text editor, so I can just paste things in and make changes if I need to. And there we go, as we expected. Okay, hope that's clear. Read the notes, read the stuff in the course spec as well if you need to. See ya.